Hi, this is Design Guy, ready to design an eye-catching Sportsman poster from scratch in Canva? Click the Create button to start a new project. Next, select Custom Size if you want specific dimensions, or choose Poster for presets. Then, adjust the orientation to landscape by selecting the landscape option before continuing with your design. Go to the Elements tab, then find and select the Image option to begin adding an image to your project. Type Badminton game into the search bar. Make sure you spell it correctly. Press Enter on your keyboard to start searching for results related to badminton games. Click the Generate button to create your output. Wait a few moments while the system processes your request. Add a sports photo to your design by clicking the image icon, then selecting and inserting your chosen sports photo. Click the Generate button again to create a new design. This action refreshes your options and provides a different result based on your initial settings or preferences. Use this feature whenever you want to explore additional layouts or get inspiration from new variations. Each time you click Generate, the system will process your request and display a fresh design for you to review and consider for your project or presentation. Select the option that looks good from the list. Click to highlight it. After making your selection, review the information to ensure it matches what you need. If everything looks correct, proceed to confirm your choice by clicking the appropriate button. Wait for the confirmation message to appear. Once confirmed, your selection is saved and ready for the next step. Continue following the on-screen instructions for the remaining process. Select the object you want to center. Move it to the middle of your canvas by dragging or using alignment tools. Next, click the Edit button in the toolbar. From the drop-down, choose Magic Expand to apply the effect. Click the entire page to select it, then click the Expand button. Wait a moment while the AI generates a new background for you. Once the background is ready, look at the selection area on the right side of the screen. Choose your preferred background from the options provided. This process allows you to easily update your page with a fresh AI-generated design in just a few steps. Choose the option that looks best to you by clicking on it, then proceed to the next step in the process. Click the Done button to complete the action. Next, you can increase the size of this element by clicking and dragging the corner to enlarge it. To remove an unnecessary image, select the image you want to delete, then press the Delete key or right-click and choose Delete from the menu. If there's content you don't want others to see, make sure to hide or remove those elements before sharing your screen. You can also add new elements by clicking the Add button here. Choose from images, text, shapes, or other media to enhance your workspace. In this example, I'm adding a fun element to make the project more engaging. Customize your layout as needed before finalizing. This way, your presentation remains both professional and visually interesting. To create a two-step process, first select the specific section you want to modify. Highlight the desired area by clicking and dragging your mouse. Next, choose the two-step option from the menu to apply the change only to this part. Click the Text tool, select the area where you want to add text, then type your desired content. Select the text you want to change. Go to the text color options, then choose white from the palette. The selected text will now appear in white. Select your text, click the font size dropdown in the toolbar, then choose your preferred font size to apply. Set the text size to 6 by selecting the text, then entering 6 in the font size dropdown field. Adjust the text size setting. To modify the corner of the object, start by selecting the shape on your canvas. Locate the corner node you want to adjust. Click and drag the node to modify its curve or angle as needed. Observe how the shape updates in real time. If precise values are needed, use the Properties panel to enter exact corner radius measurements. Once you're satisfied with the change, release the mouse. Your corner is now updated. To add a date field, open your document and locate the area where you want the date to appear. Click to place your cursor in that spot. Next, go to the Insert menu at the top of the window. From the drop-down options, select Text, then choose Date from the available fields. The date field will appear exactly where you placed your cursor. You can format the date by right-clicking on it and selecting Format Date. Options may include the short date, long date, or a custom format based on your needs. Make any additional adjustments necessary for your layout. If you need another text field, repeat these steps by clicking Insert, then selecting Text. Position and resize the new text box as needed to fit your design. Click the Share button to save your poster. Choose PNG for general use or select PDF print for batch printing needs. For professional quality prints, choose the CMYK color option. After choosing your preferred format, click Download. Your poster will be saved in the selected file type and ready for your next steps. Hope you enjoyed learning how to design a Sportsman poster in Canva. Drop a like and subscribe for more creative tips.